Bling! Huh?
Hello everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Shock from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So I'm going to start with a line right here like this. So this is going to be where the hat is meeting the head. And now I'm going to come on down and this is going to be the mask. So it's pretty long. And then I'm curving and coming on up. Right here, I'm going to come down a bit. And now we're going to do a triangle shaped nose. Like that. Now next thing, let's do some eyes. So I'm going to do a little lemon shape right there. And we can have part of an eye right here. And then I'll do a little circle. I'm going to color that in all black. And same in the other one. Now I'm going to do a great big frown. So upside down U shape. And now we're going to have an ear pretty high up. So it's right up here. So it's kind of like the shape of a C. And we can do another little C shape inside that ear. And now we're going to come on down here with the shape of the head and do a little line here for a neck and another little one. And we can do a curve. And this part is going to be the collar of the outfit. So this is going to be just kind of like a pile of U shapes going all the way around. Now let's continue working on up here. So I'm going to do some hair. So Shock's hair is kind of like long, like thick noodles. So we're going to do a pile of long, wavy, thick noodles. And we can do all kinds of different directions. Maybe some are a little bit longer than the others, and put a few on this side. And another one right here. I'll put another one here. Okay, and now let's continue with the hat. So I'm going to do the brim of the hat here, and I'm not making it perfectly round. I'm doing kind of like up and down. So it's not perfect. And then curving down this way. And now we can come on up and do like the tip of the hat. And the tip of the hat is going to be kind of curved downward. So this is kind of like a big hill. All right, so now we're done the hat. And now let's work with a little line here and a little line here for some shoulders. And we can come on down here with the shape of the body. Another line. And a little curved line right here for the bottom of the dress. Now we're going to do another pile of little U shapes, just like we had up here. So we'll do just a pile all along here at the bottom of the dress. Like that. And we can do a line right here for an arm. And we'll have another arm right here. Another line and a little curve here. And we'll put a hand here. So we're going to do kind of like a mitten. So like a hand and a thumb. And we'll do the same over here. It's like a little thumb and the rest of the hand. And now we're going to do a line coming down here. And then it's going to come out this way and curve on up. These are going to be the little witch shoes. And come on down. And we'll do a line right here and right here. And now same on the other side. Line coming down, coming over this way, curve on up. And now we've got another shoe. All right, so we are finished our drawing of Shock, and now I'm gonna get started coloring it in. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing of Shock. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for our next Daily Doodle. Okay, everyone, goodbye.